Hey guys, welcome to the final session in bonus module. So in this session, I'm going to share you some CSS tricks. So these tricks will be useful to you while designing a website. So currently now I am in a blog which is hosted in localhost. So here you can see my XAMPP control panel, Apache and MySQL is in green color and both are in start actions. Let me minimize this. So now I'm going to customize. So let me visit this in a new tab also. Okay. So now customize is loading. So now I'm going to hit a Control Shift I or inspect element. Okay. Here you can see the pop-up. Now I'm going to customize. Go to additional CSS. So currently I had added some more stuff here. Okay. So just neglect that. I'll be showing you. So I'm going back to my home page. Here I had already opened inspect element. Just go to footer. So guys, we have to change footer color to red. What we have to do? We have to go to customize or we have to go to widgets. So we have to search for the option, right? So without searching, how we can change? So we can add a CSS. How to do that? Just go to selector and select the footer. So here you can find some set of CSS code. Just add a new line. Background color. Here you can find a background color in list and add red. Okay, so here you can see red. So what to do to affect these changes? Just copy all this code, Control C, and paste it under custom CSS, which is in customize section. I had pasted here. Let me hit publish. Okay, so let us check. Let me reload this. So, okay, it is published. I'm going to footer. Yeah, here you can see the red color is applied. So guys, I am again going to inspect element. So now, so let us change this color, this red color. Okay, how to do that? Just go to just select that. Okay, then here you can find some set of CSS code and use color or background color. Set it to green. Okay, here you can see green. So to apply this, what we have to do? Just select the code, copy the code and paste it under custom CSS at customize section. Hit publish. I'm going to reload it again. So let us see the changes. So here you can see it is applied. And also we can even hide any item by using CSS code. How to do that? So I'm going to hide the logo of this site. So just right click on logo and inspect element. Here you can see the logo CSS code. Just add a new line, display none, DISPLAY display. So here you can find the code in this list, display none. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, here you can see logo is disappeared. So I'm going to copy this entire code and I can paste it under custom CSS at customize section. I'm going to hit publish. Let me reload it. So okay, here you can see. So we'll add some more paddings and margins. So I'm gonna right click here, inspect element. I'm going to select the menu bar. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, this is menu bar. So here you can see the code, CSS code. I'm gonna hit here. So background color is set to transparent. I'm gonna add a new background color. You can add any CSS code. Background color will be white or let me go for green. Okay, here you can see green. And I'm gonna add a padding. So let me add a padding here. Padding top will be 50 pixel. Here you can see padding and padding bottom. Padding bottom will be some 50 pixel more. Okay, so we'll add padding right and left also. Padding right. Okay, we can add padding left. It will be some more 50. Now okay, so I'm going to copy this and I can paste it under customize CSS, and I'm going to hit publish. So just reload. So it is published. Here you can see the changes. Okay, so we have to drag this search bar to some bottom to make this alignment. To get this alignment, just right click here, inspect, then select this search icon. So here you can find the code. Okay, so I'm gonna add padding top 50 pixels because we added 50 pixels to menu. Here you can see now it is aligned. Okay, so and also to disappear this icon, how to disappear that? Just right click here, inspect element, just select once more. Okay, now you can find a code here. Let me show you. So here you can see TD scroll up. So it is the scroll up. Just add a new line, display none. Okay, here you can see it is disappeared. So to make these changes, just copy the code and paste it under additional CSS. Okay, so you can add any you can play any CSS trick and you can make changes through this additional CSS option. So guys, keep exploring, keep learning. Thank you.